Hi, welcome to Saturday Science Tales with Rohini. Teacher was talking about palindromes in the class. Dad, she said, was a palindrome. It reads the same forward and backward, D-A-D, D-A-D. Mom is a palindrome, M-O-M, M-O-M. The kids were all excited and it was a fun class. And then she asked the kids to come up with some of their own palindromes. Then Mittu sheepishly raised his hand and said, Teacher, can I talk about maths palindromes? What? Number palindromes? Teacher said, Yes, please go ahead. Then Mittu came in front of the class and held up a sheet. And he said, think of a two-digit number whose sum is less than 10. For example, 14. It's a two-digit number, the sum of which is 1 plus 4, 5, less than 10. And then reverse the same number and add the reverse to the original number. 14, if it's the original number, reverse it, it's 41, and add 41 to 14. It is a palindrome again, 55, 55. Whichever way you read it, forward to backward or backward to forward, it's the same. Let's see another example. He said, 63, 6 plus 3 is 9. So it's less than 10. 63 reversed is 36. 36 plus 63 is 99. It reads the same forward and backward. So it's a palindrome. The teacher was very happy. Anything else, Mittu? And then Mittu a little proudly said, Yes, teacher, if the sum of the digits is 10, 1, 0. Let us say 64. 6 plus 4 is 10. And we reverse it, that is 46. And we add both together, we get 110. 64 plus 46 is 110. And then if we add the reverse of 110 to 110, that is 0, 1, 1, 210, we still get a palindrome, 121. So if it's a number which has a sum of 10, it will take 2 steps to come to the palindrome. Whereas if it is below 10, it is in 1 step. Wow, said the teacher. Anything else? Yes. If the sum of the digits is 14, like the example here, it takes 3 steps to come to the palindromic number, the one that reads the same forward and backward. If it's 12, it takes 2 steps. Wow, said the teacher. That's amazing. And the whole class clapped for Mittu. Amazing, Mittu. We heard of palindromic words, but this is the first time we heard about number palindromes. Thank you, they said. The end. Thank you for listening.